Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is with collaboration with my boyfriend, who is actually not here because he's at work, but that doesn't matter. We went to Superdrug and Boots and he chose my makeup for me, so I had to do makeup with that. Most of the stuff are just looks cute or looks like chocolate or smell nice, so I'm really excited to try that out. So I already primed my skin with a primer that I'm using all the time. I'm not using anything else and I don't want to use anything else. Okay, so first thing is foundation, and he chose the NYX Stay Matte but not flat. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on my face. I don't know how the color will be, might be too light. Okay, so my first impression about the product, first is my skin looks super oily and I look a bit greasy. It says that the foundation is full coverage, but I would say it's medium, and I literally look like a ghost now. I still have some product on, so you don't need loads of the product, and I think if you have oily skin, it's not really good either. Next I have a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Did it? I don't know what is with me, but I always smell products. That doesn't smell that bad. I don't really like the applicator of that, but okay. It was the lightest shade, and I don't think it's the lightest that it could be. Yeah, the Makeup Revolution ones, they have really light colors and I like them. I'm not a big fan of that one. It didn't do anything. Literally, it just maybe a little bit make my skin look lighter. Next, my boyfriend chose Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I can tell the packaging is really cool. Okay, so you're opening it like that, and you have like little sponge that I will never use, but if you're using sponges like that, there you go. You have that one free. I'm gonna take my brush and just take a little bit of that. Doesn't really want to be on my brush. Okay, it made like a weird thing on my nose. I don't know. I feel like I could do that all over my face because the foundation is so greasy. I just want to matte that. Okay, so next he chose chocolate bronzer and highlighter from Bourjois, and it smells amazing. It smells so nice and it looks like chocolate. I love it. I really like that. I wanna eat all those products. You will see. Okay, so I wanna just mix those two colors. Oh my god, why does that smell so nice? Wow, that's actually the right color for me. So, contouring the potato now. Yeah, I like the color. It's really nice. Fits me. Not like the Benefit Hula one. It's just making me look like an idiot. Next, we have that I want to try for so long. Slice of Peach blush. from L'Oreal. It smells so nice. It smells really nice. Oh, and the next thing with that, I have a mirror and the brush thing as well. Oh, I feel bad to going into that blusher. Oh, it took a lot of product. Okay, let's see. I think it looks really cute. Next on, my boyfriend chose the NYX eyebrow pomade, so it looks like that. I don't think it's much of the product. No, it just looks like it's a tiny bit of product. It's really creamy, that one. I feel like it's a little bit too light that I would normally go for, but it did the job. Okay, so eyebrows done. Now I'm gonna just use some of the, again, concealer. I'm just gonna prime my eyelid. Next chocolate thing that my boyfriend chose is Makeup Revolution or Revolution. I don't know, the Revolution have like loads of names now. It's like I Love Revolution, Makeup Revolution, Revolution. Decide. I don't know, that's I Love Revolution. Okay, so that's the palette. I think it's really cute, like purples and browns as well. I have like purples and browns as well. It's supposed to smell like chocolate, but it smells like the cheap chocolate, like the cheapest chocolate that kind of smell like plastic. That's the one. That's how it smells like. Okay, so I think we're gonna do a little bit of cut crease with those color. I'll start with the beige color right there. It's called Conjure. It's already a bit of fallout on the palette. And just blend it all up there. I don't know if it's because of the concealer or the eyeshadows, but it's really, really hard to blend it in. It's not the brush fault, because the brushes are pretty good. I'm using them all the time. Okay, so next I'm gonna take that color here and just put that on my crease. Yeah, I feel those eyeshadows are really pigmented. I didn't know that you can buy eyeshadow for £9 and get that. It's really good. So when you're blending that in, not much staying on. I would say it's good enough. And then I'm gonna get the color right here and just put it kind of on top of it. Okay, it's not that bad. Now I'll try to do a cut crease there with the concealer. So I'm just gonna put the concealer here and go the half of the eye. Now on the top of the concealer, I'm just gonna do that color first, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of that in the middle. That's really good shade, but we'll see how that's gonna look on my eye. Okay, in the middle, I'm gonna use that color here. There's a little bit of fallout here, so I'm just gonna brush that off my face. Now on the bottom, I'm gonna use that color there. Okay, this color doesn't look like I expected it to be, so I'm just gonna use that color and then blend it with color here. really have good colour to put in the corner, so I'll just leave it like that. Now I'm just gonna do the other eye. The other eye done. To be fair about the palette, I would say the matte colours are pretty good. It's easy to blend, but the shimmers are horrible. It's a disaster. It's not creamy. It's kind of weird. It smells like crayon or cheap chocolate. Can't really recommend that. You can buy it for just matte shades because it's only £9. So now it's time for eyeliner. It's a Maybelline eyeliner. Apparently I have to stay all day. Hopefully it won't stuck on the shimmers here. Yeah, I would say it's okay. It's not that like the Rihanna fly liner, but it's okay. It's time for mascara. Mascara is Baby Rose from L'Oreal. Have interesting brush. It's really interesting. Yeah, that mascara is really good. One of the best mascaras that I've tried. So next product is that cute heart, unicorn heart highlighter. It's a little rainbow inside of it. I'll take like a big fan brush and just take all the colors there. Just dip it really good. Have like all the colors. Wow, that's really good highlighter. Oh, look at that glow. I like that highlighter. It's really good. Okay, so next we have L'Oreal chocolate lipstick. It's liquid lipstick. Actually, I don't know what shades it's shade. Okay, so it's in shade Oh My Choc. It's like dark. It's like hot chocolate kind of looking. It smells so nice. Oh my god. Like I want to eat that. What if I'll try that? No, it's maybe not a good idea. It smells amazing. I'm gonna put more and more on my lips. I want to eat that. It's not drying really fast, but the smell is amazing. So I used all the products that my boyfriend chose for me. I think it looks really nice. So I'll choose the best products, 2 best products, and 2 So I think that is not something that I would use. Next foundation. I don't really like that. And I'm thinking about the concealer and the eyeshadow palette. But the eyeshadow palette did the job. Just the shimmers are weird. And that just didn't do anything basically. So the lipstick is really sticky now. I can feel that. But it still smells really nice. Okay, so my favorite. It's hard to tell because everything is so nice, but so my favorite is lipstick because it smells amazing. It smells like hot chocolate. It looks like hot chocolate, and I just want to eat that. And my other favorite thing is the Life's a Peach blusher. It looks really nice, and it smells amazing. Loads of the stuff now smells super nice. Oh my god, it just smells like peach. It smells amazing. So yeah, that's done. Thank you, Elliot, for choosing my makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what cosmetics is your favorite or what you want to try. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.